Hi everybody, my name is Harold Quiñones. I am 37 years old. I am graphic designer. Actually, I am student of SENA. In there, I am learning to integration contents digital. This video is to English class, and this opportunity I want to show things of my city. Welcome. I am from Bogotá, city, the country or capital of Colombia. It's the biggest city in Colombia. Bogotá belongs to Cundinamarca municipal. Its geographical location is in the center of territory Colombia. Welcome to Bogotá, a city where you can arrive and enjoy of different and interesting activities of tourism. Sure, not will get bored in this city. Located to 2,600 meters more close of stars, its climate is colder than Manizales Caldas, but sometimes there is days with hot climate, and the sun is very dangerous because burn in the skin. On cold days, its color paints gray, it's light and a little dark. In change, in the sunny days, its color is more light. The sky is painted of deep blue. On these days, Bogotá is testified of sunset spectacular show with colors red, orange, or sometimes violet. Paints the popular sunset Dear Sun. My city is bigger than Medellin. In Bogotá, sometimes the people is a little hostile because of walk fast to realize his activities, but it's not dangerous to visitors because Bogotá is gentle. In Bogotá, it locates power Catholic and politic of nation. In the Palace Bolívar, surrounding of national capital of Colombia, the Líbano Palace of Mayor Office, Bogotá, the Palace of Justice, the Independence Museum, the Primate Cathedral of Colombia, and also the Mayor San Bartolome College. The Catholic religious plan recommends visit the Monserrate Temple, located in the same of Mountain Monserrate. You can access from aboard the telespheric or the funicular. Also, you can ascend by the stairs composed of 1,600 steps. Also, I recommend to visit Botanic Garden. It's a big place important because composed of multiple species of endemic plants of country. It's a place to walk with tranquility and mind free and breathe to air fresh. I recommend the walking peaceful plan. In there you will have and enjoy it and breathe air clean. This is an important green lung into the city. In addition, inside you can live a unique experience in the country, which consists of visiting and feeling the ecosystems of the regions of Colombia. It's an experience that puts you in contact with endemic plants and their climate. In this great place, you're feeling calm, tranquility, peace, harmony in your brain with your body. This plan you recharge of good energy and will liberty tensions accumulate in the past. My choice is based on recommending a quiet plan where there will not be so much congestion of people, and it will surely be a positive plan for the visitant. Thank you, bye bye.